Hello gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the top garden trends for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these trends will inspire you to transform your outdoor space into an eco-friendly, relaxing sanctuary. So grab your notebook and let's jump right in. 1. Sustainable gardening. Sustainability continues to be a huge trend this year. Gardeners are focusing on eco-friendly practices like composting, rainwater harvesting, and choosing native plants that thrive without excessive watering. Consider incorporating drought-tolerant plants or creating pollinator gardens to attract beneficial insects. 2. Vertical gardening. With urban living spaces shrinking, vertical gardening is more popular than ever. This year, we're seeing innovative vertical gardens using modular panels, hanging planters, and living walls. It's an ideal solution for small spaces and adds a striking visual element to your garden or balcony. 3. Smart gardening technology. Technology is making gardening easier and more efficient. Smart irrigation systems, soil sensors, and garden management apps are helping gardeners maintain perfect conditions effortlessly. Imagine adjusting your watering schedule or checking plant health right from your smartphone. Four. Wellness and therapeutic gardens. Gardens focused on wellness and relaxation are booming. Think aromatic herbs, soothing water features, and spaces dedicated to meditation or yoga. Therapeutic gardens are specifically designed to reduce stress, enhance mood, and improve overall well-being. 5. Edible and culinary gardens. Growing your own food is not just practical, but also trendy. From compact vegetable gardens to gourmet herb gardens, people love harvesting fresh ingredients right at home. Try integrating raised beds or edible landscaping for both beauty and productivity. 6. Wildlife-friendly gardens. Creating gardens that support local wildlife is a key trend this year. Adding birdhouses, bee hotels, and butterfly-friendly plants encourages biodiversity. Not only does this help the ecosystem, but it also brings delightful wildlife visits to your garden. 7. Minimalist and Zen gardens. The minimalist trend continues strong, promoting simplicity and tranquility. Clean lines, carefully selected plants, and simple garden decor characterize this style. It's perfect for those seeking low-maintenance yet aesthetically pleasing spaces. And there you have it, the top garden trends for 2025. Which of these trends are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening inspiration.